One of those things I never understood is if Revit is supposed to be a software for architects, why can't I calculate basic things like floor area ratio or GRZ in German? But there's hope. So before we dive in, let's quickly recap what is floor area ratio. It's the measurement of a building's floor area in relation to the size of the lot parcel that the building is located on. Or for you German guys out there, GRZ-Berechnung is the Geschossfläche divided by Grundstücksfläche. Okay, so how would we do this? We need information about the areas from Revit and information about the site. Unfortunately, Revit doesn't show you the site boundary in 3D, and Visuals only picks up 3D elements at the moment. I'm probably going to change that in the future, but for now, we can work around this. It's not even that hard. Okay, so we're going to need a new area scheme, and you can do that here in the area and volume computations, in the area schemes tab, and make a new one. I don't think it matters what you choose here. I'm just going to choose gross area scheme, and let's call this site. Description doesn't matter. And then we need an area plan, and in here make sure that you select the correct area scheme. Select level. Level doesn't really matter. We don't need any automatic lines because we're going to create them ourselves. Okay, and now we clean up this view a bit because it's quite messy. Turn everything off except for lines and for the site. Okay, oh, and we can turn off all annotation categories as well. Cool. Let's do area boundaries and use pick lines. Go over, pick all of them. The tab key doesn't work here, so you just have to click all of them. Okay, done. And make a new area. Yep, make them visible. Put the area down. Okay, cool. Now we need to get the area into Visuals. So just to make it a bit more tidy, let's turn everything off here. Come to add-ins and start Visuals. And you'll see it will recognize the new area scheme that you made. So you can click on that, it'll create this proxy element for you. And then give this update a name, site, so you can identify it later. Say update data, okay, cool. And let's deactivate site and activate the gross building. I just assume that this is correct. And we take gross area and say update. Okay. Now let's add the charts in Visuals. So come over to Visuals, say add chart, and pick this hashtag element here. It's the ratio chart. You want to select the update. So let's make one for the site first. And I'm going to call it site area. And just to make sure, I put a category filter on this to just show me areas. So we're safe, and show totals of area is already selected. Cool. Click on the chart, so it goes to the dashboard. You can click on it again to bring it up into the editor again, and then this button up here will duplicate the chart. So you can do that, and you can rename this one to gross area, I guess. Gross area, pick the update, gross area, filter is the same, this is the same. Okay, cool. So we have the two totals ready, and now we make the ratio chart. So add chart, and that's this last one here. Take this one, and now I have to look up exactly which way we do the calculations. Okay, so we take the gross area and divide it by the site area. And that's your ratio. And you can see if you hover over this chart, gross area is blue and site area is this nice purple thing. How easy was that? Oh, and of course we can rename this one to floor area ratio. Cool.